Hello freedom traders, this is your boy Collins FT. So today once more again we're gonna pick a random pair and do the analysis, give out signals as usual. So let's go for Euro USD today. Though I had previous analysis on Euro USD, as you can see here, it actually did smashed on this one. So this is another one. This one, I think I have the video on YouTube. This was 14th February or something like that. I have the video already on YouTube. You can check. Okay, so today let's actually check how Euro USD is doing. So usually I don't like to analyze at midweek because there is a lot going on during the week until the market settles on Friday. Then you know exactly how the market can go for the next week. So but during the midweek I can only do as much as analyze for day traders. So here we can see already a high. Okay, and then we we can't tell if this is gonna be another one or the market is gonna break through and go up, because actually this is a very strong signal here that the market is, it's a buy for Euro USD. And as usual, we look at the structure, you can see it has clearly broken the moving average, and it's trading now above the moving average. So it has already broken also this key level. Yeah, this key level here, it has broken that key level and retested. So it did break here, retested here, then rejected the key level, now rejected the moving average, and now it's actually buying. So from the structure we can say Euro USD still continue to buy. So going down to the daily, as usual the daily will always show the opposite of the weekly. So we can be like, okay, this is a higher low, which of course if price breaks here, or instead of doing that we can actually start a small trend here. So actually, so that this trend, why I do put trend lines, it's not to, because I rarely trade trends. I'm not a trend trader, but I put trends to guide me. Yeah, I put trend lines to guide me, because now price, however price is going to behave here, is going to determine if it will continue to go up or it will come back down. So that trend line is just to guide me on my next analysis. So coming down to the 4 hour, as you can see, it's actually clearly a kind of downtrend, though market is still trading above the moving average. But so what we can do now is check and observe how price is going to behave here. It actually broke here but rejected, also crossed back. So we're gonna see if market is trying to reach this trend line before going down, because it has to reach here, it has to touch this trend line at one point or the other. Market has to touch this this trend line. It will be maybe around here. Yeah, market will touch this trend line if it's to come down, it has to touch this trend line. If it's to go up, it still has to touch this trend line. So right now, Euro USD, we cannot confirm a sell, neither a buy, because it's actually not really clear here. As you can see, when you are reaching already the 4 hours without a clear direction of the charts, and then don't just trade that pair. Yeah, that pair is not to be traded, because one thing is, today is Wednesday. There has been a lot of events today, and there are gonna still be events tomorrow. So that's another reason why the market is kind of consolidating like this. Buyers and sellers are afraid to make trades. Yeah, buyers and sellers are very, very afraid to make trades because anything can happen. So nobody is ready to lose money except for new traders who are very excited and ready to put whatever they have. So right now, as I said, it's not all the trades or all the pairs that have been analyzed that must be traded. So Euro USD, I will not advise anyone to trade. So let's try the USD chef. Let's go for the USD chef and see. So USD chef actually had a very good structure formed here, but it kind of keeps on playing games, because with this structure, it either breaks this level and go up and break here, because if it goes up here, it's gonna break here. Yeah, usually. So but it did actually break here, retested. It's supposed to come down, because if it's not going up, it's actually has to come right down here with this structure. When you see this particular structure, it's very determinant. It happens quite often. Yeah, so actually it's a sell, because it hasn't actually broken this moving average yet. It's still trading below the moving average, and all we can say now or do now is see how price is gonna react here. The way price is gonna react here, then we'll determine the last option, because if price breaks this area, we should be expecting it around here. Should be expecting price there and here as well. Yeah, so if it breaks here, so with the so what we see here is USD chef is a sell. Yeah, even at the daily, it's still trying to sell. Here it actually struggled to break up, but couldn't break up, so now continues to sell. And the 4 hour also, it's really trying to break up, but it's still continuously trying to sell. So in all and all, USD chef, it's a sell. Even at 1 hour, it's still a sell. So what we can say or determine from the USD chef, as you can see, the market for me is very simple. I don't go with all those very strong complicated terms, order blocks, demand and supply, everything. I don't actually see them, because I see them. I just see them, and I just actually, I don't need to say here, this is your resistance, this is your support. If price reaches here, and I just see it. That's why I'm just kind of going fast. So obviously here already it shows clearly that it's actually a sell. So when you complicate the market, it complicates you. People will do analysis with people will be having 5 indicators, crazy stuff, but at the end of the day you don't see results. So when you make it simple for you, it gets simple. Of course, it actually gets simple. So now let's keep it here for now. How many pips is that? If we say 985, well, it's like 50 pips, not small. So we come down to 15 pips to look for our stop loss. Yeah, 15 pips is actually, we are coming down here to look for our stop loss. So it's 50 pips. Then we put our stop loss here. So it's kind of like 5 pips stop loss. Yeah, if we want to give the markets some space to breathe, we will have to come here, which is going to be like 19 pips or 29 pips, which is too much. So we keep it here. 5 pips, 7 pips, which is okay. If we get kicked out, we can still re-enter. Yeah, so that is how we do it. If you get kicked out, you can still re-enter instead of putting your pips right, your stop loss right above this area, then you get exhausted completely. So that is a good one for USD chef. So it shows all indications here that it's a buy, it's gonna continuously buy. But guys, it might, but I don't believe so. Yeah, I don't believe so. So this is actually for day traders. Yeah, this is actually for day traders. Let's go USD chef. Okay guys, thank you for today. Like and subscribe and follow so that you get more analysis like these ones.